Vision. CPS is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive toward sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to 3 of RA 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes, and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Objectives: to offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree program in agriculture, to produce quality instructions material relevant to degree program, to inculcate moral values for total human development, to produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals, to package general agriculture technologies for Fisher Talks and other stakeholders, to promote relevant agriculture technologies for improvement quality of life. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College as institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin commits to provide quality higher professional technical instructions, research, extension, and production services, advanced studies and progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering, computer studies, industrial technology, arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administrations. To achieve this, CPC shall 1. Deliver quality service to stakeholder. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. Adopt change in the education system as required by law. Forge agreement with the SACs and line agencies locally and internationally. Update the qualifications and student and yati nawala nino